This is the Snapper Restaurant, Bar and Grill. I think Bar and Grill, yeah. Pretty cool. Mark, you would love this. I'm doing this video for you, okay? So, this is quite a bar. There's the other bar. I don't know if you can see this, Chucky. In the black area, that's the ocean. You can't see it right now, but in the daytime is really, really, really beautiful.
Yeah, snappers.
And then there's the inside.
Into a 20-knot wind, we got a hard shit down below. I mean, we just went with we just wanted to
Where's that?
nice to I just showed them.